Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back again, fall, so with another fall look. So if you want to see what palette I play with or what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I actually just got this palette. I don't know, not just but recently I got this palette. So it's the Bperfect and Stacey Marie collab. It's the Carnival, the Antidote, and I dropped the plastic and she looks like so. These palettes are so pretty. They're so pretty, but man, are they bulky. Like I just don't see, how practical this is to travel. Yeah, but I love it. So I think I'm gonna play with so on these sides, I'm not sure which shades I'm gonna play with, but I guess so I'm gonna play with this side on one eye and then this side on the other eye, but we will see. I've already primed my lid and today I'm using my Acid Rain primer. So yeah, like I can't hold this up. I mean, it has a nice mirror, but this is so not, like I can't. I'm gonna go ahead and take E17. We're gonna go on this side first. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take Antidote, which is that dark green right here. And we're gonna put that, my order V. And I'm just gonna tap this right here. So I'm gonna do like a semi-circle, kind of like an arch. So I'm just like kind of patting it and then right now the main focus is trying to just get all the pigment that I need. I'm just kind of like feathering this a little bit because I don't want the edges to be so harsh. I'm using the same brush. Okay, now we're gonna go into, I'm gonna take this Y204 and just before I go in with any other shade, I'm gonna just blend this a little bit more. And this Y204 is from Makeup by Yolondo. Okay, now I am gonna take that same brush. So I'm gonna go into two shades. Right now I'm gonna go into Sable, and then I'm gonna go into Moss. So first we're gonna go into Sable. Okay, and then now we're gonna go into Moss. So I'm basically gonna do the same look on each eye, but I'm gonna use different shades, if that makes sense. So you could just have, if you have that palette or you have another palette that has tons of shades, you have an idea what to do with it. I'm gonna do a cut crease actually today. So now we're gonna go back to this brush and we're gonna go back to Antidote, which is a hella dark green. Okay, and then we go back to this brush and then you just blend everything in. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut the crease. Cut the crease. So let's clean this up. I'm gonna use my Pond's. Again, be hella careful with this. You can also maybe use cleansing oil. You still have to be careful though, because these products are cleansing products, so they can just take everything off. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Y17 from Laura, a YL17 from Laura Lee Los Angeles, and I'm gonna use that to coat the crease. So I don't like to do cut crease. That thing be taking all day. It could also be because I don't do it very often. And I'm going hella high with my cut crease. But you know, when you don't have that much lid space, you have to just, you know, go all out. And let's go in with this. This is my canvas. It's done. Okay, so let's see. So I'm actually gonna go into these two shades right here. I'm gonna go into Silvery. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner, and then we're gonna go down with Venom. Yeah. I'm just gonna put like a little skin color. You're not even gonna see it. Just so my shimmers can like pop. I put everything in one spot so I can find it. Nope, still can't find anything. So let's go in now. Let's go in with Silvery, and this is on a T77 from Makeup Shack. And now we're gonna go into Venom. Oh my god, it's only 26 minutes. Mixing the two gold shades. I think they're both kind of goldy. One is just darker. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to this brush, and we're gonna go back into that really dark green, which was Antidote, and we're just gonna, you know, blend everything together. Okay, perfect. So that is it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done, face is prime, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into foundation. Ignore this, like, you know, giganimous pimple. I put some like thingies on it, and I don't know, it's like kind of make it pop. So yeah, drink some flow. Okay, I haven't used this foundation in like forever. That is my HudaBeauty, so we're gonna go ahead and use that today. This one is almost done actually. I'm gonna go in there and get, you know, every little bit of it. Again, that may not be the most hygienic, but I'm the only one using my makeup, so it is all good. Okay, what concealer? Let's go ahead with some One Size. I don't put too much because, you know, that pimple is kind of right there, you know. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush right here. This is from Ruce, and it's an LR333. It's a fluff brush to blend that, but before I do that, I'm gonna put some of my Fenty. I'm letting my concealer dry a little bit. This concealer dries really fast though, so you have to kind of work fast if you don't want like a whole mess. If you leave it too much, you can just spray some setting spray or some facial spray on there. but usually I can like blend it pretty easily. And if you start blending your contour and you're like, oh my god man, this concealer is just getting hella like dry, you can just stop and just blend the concealer out, you know? And now just go ahead and blend this real quick. See, this side is real good, but here it looks like it's creasing a little bit. That's wild because I haven't really seen this concealer crease on me like that, so I don't know. I don't know if it's the primer that I'm using, because I did bring the primer a little bit under my eyes. So okay, let's go ahead and set that quickly. Let's set it, let's set it, let's set it. And now for my powder. I haven't used this powder in a minute. It's pretty much already hit pan too. Be hitting pan on these powders quick. It's my Charlotte Tilbury powder. Okay, let's go ahead and just put like a little bit of primer. Oh no. Man, I'm recording like so late and I picked the worst look. Like, I know that's gonna take me 10 years to do. That's a true definition of a glutton for punishment. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the green and buff it up like the really dark shade, and then do the same thing over here. Okay, that is done. Since you guys did not see me do, you know, that eye, so I'm gonna just go ahead. So I use this shade right here, and then I just buff it up with this. So this is called Emerald. I'm gonna put it in this eye, and then we will put blacker currant in this. I can say in this eye, not in your eye, in your waterline. Oh my God. So in this, for this eye, I'm gonna put Glisten, which is this shade right here. And then for this eye right here, I'm gonna put this shade, which is called Oyster. And then we're gonna go into the other one. Let's just like do some face stuff real quick, and then, you know, we'll be good. Let me use this. This is a Vanny Greg with like Morphe collab. That's a bronzer. And I'm putting this on my F30 from Sigma. So this is Corvette from Makeup Geek. To be real careful with that, because I think, you know, another thing, that shade is a little bit dark for me. So see that I'm already done with that, because this girl can go ham. Let's go with some highlighter. Because I think I want to do something nude. So let's go ahead and use this from Huda Beauty. This is what shade? Rich Brown. And we're gonna put Support from Rare Beauty on here. Okay, so yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Like, I really love how this looks came out. You know, I had fun. Don't forget, you know, that's a lot of highlighter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.
All colors will fade.